first thing I want to think about is kind of expanding these out. So what does 3 to the 4th mean? Right? If I wanted to figure it out, what would I do? So I do 3 times 3 times 3 times 3, right? So then what would 3 to the 6th mean?
3 times 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 times 3.
Yeah, right? So I'd multiply by 3 6 times, right? So how many 6s how many 3s total do I have? 10. So what should my 3 to the 10th power? Awesome. Right? So what about x to the 4th? Is that still going to be x times x times x times x?
1, x means 1, right?
Yeah.
If it was just x, it'd be 1, yeah.
So you're just gonna
And then I times x times x times x. So how many total x's did I multiply?
7.
7. So what should my exponent be?
7.
Awesome.
You're smart.
So how are... Okay, guys. How are the 4 and the 6 related to the 10? Add them together. Did that work here with the 4 and the 3 to get to 7?
Yes.
Yeah. So anytime I multiply things with the same base, right? So if I have a to the m power times a to the n power, right? If I want to find their new power, just add them together. M plus n. All right, so when I multiply same bases, add the exponents. Okay. So we're going to look at a couple examples, and then we'll look at one problem on your homework. Good deal. So just like on Tuesday, I'm going to look at each base individually and decide if I need to do anything. So x is my first base. Are there any other x's in there? No. Do I have any 0 or negative exponents I need to worry about? No. So I'm just going to rewrite that as x cubed. All right?
I'm sorry.
So then I look at my a's, right? I have, whoa, not what I wanted. I have an a right here and an a right here. So if I want to write that as a single base, I have a, what's my new exponent going to be? 10, because I'm going to add those together. So I'm all set. All right? So, same thing for this one, right? Look at my first base, a's. Do I have any other a's? No. So what's a to the 0 going to be? 1. So do I need to write that? Nope. Okay, what about this x? That's the only one I got. What do I need to do with that one?
Make it as a denominator.
Put it in the denominator. Right? So you could write x to the first. You could just write x if you wanted to. Either one would be fine. And I'm going to leave the top of the fraction alone for right now, just to see if anything else goes up there. So then I look at third one. I have a y squared and a y cubed. So add the exponents. All right, get y to the 5th. Because they were already in kind of the numerator, I'm going to keep them up there. And that's going to be kind of my final answer.